Okay, we're back on my Skyblock world. As you can see, I made my tree farm a bit bigger. I made the platform bigger, so hopefully I'll get more trees growing. Um right now we got some in our chest we have spawn eggs. So um yeah, I was thinking we should make some farms. So of course I'm gonna need wood for the the fences, but we'll definitely need like a floor. So I was thinking to make like stone that would look nicer instead of cobblestone. So I'm gonna smelt a ton of it and really just wait for a tree to grow, I guess. Okay. Um I got one tree and a ton of slabs. So while we're waiting for more trees to grow, I'm gonna I guess just make the farm. Um So I'm gonna build it right here, but I want to build it down one block. Oh, that was a bit too many, but that's good. Um, how wide do I want it? It's not gonna be too big. I guess like here, a 5 by no, I'll do a 6. Um, yeah, 6 by only one. I don't know. I can't really count. I'm gonna make a just this big, I guess. And I can make it bigger if I need to. Okay, I'll probably need a ton of fuel for the cobblestone, which is kind of annoying because I should have brought my wood over. But I'm really annoyed none of my other trees have grown in. Like seriously, come on. I should have way more trees that have grown. And I've been waiting for such a long time before this for a tree to grow. How is not a single tree grown? Let me see how many hold on, let me put some more fuel in. How many fences? I'll need a lot more, but just for now, like I can. Oh wait, that actually gives a lot. Um, where is it? Oh, there it is. Literally did not see it. What place? Why? It literally is not placing. What? Wait, I'm so confused. Why can I not place it there? Oh, okay, whatever. Can I now? I need to put something there. Just trapped myself, didn't I? Okay, I need as many resources. Okay, nice. One of them grew. Both of these in there. And collect that. Okay. No. Plant this. I love the sound of breaking the vines. It sounds so like satisfying. I don't really know why I'm making a farm. Like I don't really need a ton of food, but I might as well have it. I wonder. I'll probably start off with I guess a chicken farm. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I'll definitely build all of them at some point. Okay. 16 or 18, 16. Is that enough? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Um. Okay, that should be good. Ah, I don't think it is. Yeah, no. Almost. Why do I keep placing a fence here? Oh, another tree grew. Perfect. Everyone likes to be like different with their favorite type of tree, but I just like regular oak. That's my favorite tree. I feel like it just looks the best. And if you disagree, then your opinion is wrong. It's just the way it works. What did I say? I don't know. I'm just gonna do. Ah. Oh no, I'm gonna do chicken because I really can't breed sheep. If I have, I can't, because I'll need wheat, and with these guys, they'll just lay eggs, and I have seeds. I guess I'll, use 2 seeds on the It's so weird having these barrier blocks here. No. See, now mobs are gonna start spawning. Die. Ah, die. Hello. Come near the edge. It's a good idea. Fist you off. Wish Skywars players were that bad. I mean, they kind of. Which one do you guys like more? Skywars or Cake Wars? I'm more of a Skywars guy. It's just like faster, and I usually win. Like, cause like Skywars, Bed Wars or Cake Wars, you gotta rely on your teammates, but Cake Wars you don't. Or vice versa. Bed Wars you have to rely on teammates, like you need a good team, but Sky Wars you don't have to. Okay, and with all my trees planted, I think that's gonna do it for today. I will see you guys next time.